One area where software development and data science really struggle is in how they define success. If you think about it from a software development perspective, software developers go through a lengthy series of interviews and mock-ups to define the requirements for success. Data science is different. Yeah, data science goes through a bunch of interviews, understanding desired outcomes and KPIs and metrics around success is measured and such, but the key around data science is not defining the requirements for success, it's discovering the requirements for success. And that's always put software development teams and data science teams kind of at odds. Again, software development defines the requirement for success. Data science identifies and discovers the requirements for success. Now here comes along AI with technologies like reinforcement learning and deep learning. And not only do these technologies discover the criteria for success, but they can constantly learn and adapt based on the environment in which they operate and how those variables and metrics that define success actually might change. Yes, it's a learning experience. And organizations, they struggle because they want guaranteed fun. They want guaranteed success. They want to know that when you come out with your AI project, it's going to do X, Y, and Z, and you're going to achieve this level of confidence. Can't be done. It cannot be done. Anybody who says it can is lying to you. Instead, what you need to do is to start that learning process as quickly as possible. You start building out these models, start discovering the variables and metrics that define success, but engineering your AI assets in a way through, again, reinforcement learning with human feedback, deep learning, starting to discover the variables and metrics and how they change due to all kinds of operational changes in the economic system and the economy and tax changes and political changes and social changes and technology changes and cultural changes. All these changes are taking place. And this is why with all these changes taking place, this is why traditional machine learning models drift. Because they're built for a certain instance in time, and the minute they're built, they're obsolete. Instead, with AI, we can actually engineer assets, AI-driven assets that continuously learn and adapt given their environment so that they adapt and morph based on what they're learning around them. So my guidance to my customer is there is no guaranteed fun. There's no guaranteed success. What the guarantee is that the sooner you start that learning process, the faster you can evolve, the faster you can build out your learning muscle, and you can build these assets to continuously learn and adapt. So don't delay, don't wait for the guarantee because the guarantee ain't coming. Start your learning process and start it now. Cheers.